Alright guys, so I actually slacked off on filming a lot today. I just had so much stuff going on, but long story short, I'm probably going to play this at the end of the video anyways, but if you saw all of the clips in the entire video and you made it this far, first off, thank you. And secondly, you can obviously see that I decided to go with the 2JZ E30 build. So I got the 2J and, well, I actually got the E30, so here it is. Now it's kind of dark outside, so I'm going to have to show you the car another day, but basically I was running around all day. We got the 2JZ right there. That transmission is trash. That's an automatic transmission. This is the R154 transmission that will be going in the car. Pretty clean transmission. So I basically have about 75% of the power plant of the vehicle, and I still have a few more things to get. I also have these Pilot Super Sport tires that I've had sitting in my garage. I would like to somehow fit those onto the E30, and well, I'm gonna have to give you guys a walk around of that car tomorrow, or actually in another video, maybe when it's brighter outside, but that's where I am right now. But anyways, this is the 2J motor. Pretty sure, well, let me adjust that so you guys can see better. But yeah, this is the 2JZ motor I got. Pretty basic motor, stock, nothing done to it. About 60,000 miles, imported straight from Japan. I actually was debating on getting this one, a stock one, actually getting a fully built one. I decided to go ahead and get a bone stock motor so I can take you guys through the entire build process of this car. So that's another thing that you guys are going to see. Also, if there's anybody who is familiar with 2JZ motors, please comment down below and help me throughout this build, because I am going to be very mechanically challenged throughout this entire process. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I am insanely tired. Still need to get the E30 right here where the 335 was sitting this morning, so that still needs to be done. But I'm just a little overwhelmed right now. I just have this whole build that I have planned out. I have all these parts to order. I got work and school and just so much stuff to do. So I'm actually going to go ahead and call it a night. I will give you guys an update and get better footage when there's way better lighting outside. It's like 7 o'clock right now, so it's of course pitch black outside. But anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you are new to the channel and are excited about seeing the E30 build, or you just like the content that's on the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But as for right now guys, I'm out.